all-wheel drive EG build done right. And today we're going to do a little bit of suspension. I'm just going to work on the driver's side, kind of show you guys what I'm going to do. We've got a bunch of K-tune parts, so we're going to do the front coilovers. I also, if you want to look right there, Nelson, I got some new spindles. So this car comes with Honda does like two different size rotors, like a 9 3/4 and a 10 1/4. The 10 1/4 rotor, it uses a bigger bearing, and it's just better all around. So those spindles are from an Integra, and we're going to be using those, and we're going to put some 36mm hubs in there with some new bearings, and also I'll show you guys the brakes that we plan on using. So we're going to start getting this stuff banged out and show you guys what's up. Alright, so I got everything all pressed off. I got a brand new wheel bearing, and as you can see, I got the two hubs. I mean, this one's taller, obviously it has longer wheel studs, but if you look right here, sorry for my fan. If you look right here, this hole is much bigger than this one, so it accounts for a larger axle. So I'm just going to slap this bearing in here, press the new hub, and then this knuckle will be ready to throw on the car. Alright, so basically everything you see here has to come out. We're changing the knuckle, the upper control arm, changing the lower control arm. I also have inner and outer tie rods, but I'm going to wait till I get a new power steering rack to do that. So all this stuff's coming out, so give me a minute and we're going to tear this thing apart. Yeah, as you can see, 28 years wasn't nice to this car. Super disgusting, but all this, done. So all this stuff is coming out, and we're going to put all our nice shiny new parts in. So, start bolting up the good stuff. Okay. Yeah, we didn't have the bushing on that side, so we're just gonna bolt this in, and then we'll add that extra stuff later. And then here, Nelson, grab me that spindle. This bad boy goes on here. No engine yet, so no axles. Oh, everything is super tight. There we go. Okay. We need a nut for the bottom right here. Oh, here, Nelson, can you? The lower ball joint on the lower control arm right there. Can you? I need to get the nut off. I need that nut.
Lower ball joint?
No. Right where the rotor is. Right there. No. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. So pull the pin out for me, and then let's get that nut off there.
No pin. Pins aren't even pulled.
Oh my God, you piece of shit.
Yeah, they never put one in here.
Okay, here. Then just give me the nut. That's all I need. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, homie. God, Nelson. Don't be a bonehead. Come on. Yeah, if it doesn't look like it's going right, just stop and reevaluate. Ooh, and I'm not at a good angle to grab that, so. Okay. Are they in? Can I let go? Yeah. Alright, here. Just give it a few old guys. Ready? Yeah, go. Relax. Okay, now come over here with the jack. Let's go up a little bit. Where's that nut? Here it is. Right there's good. Actually, here, go down. Stop. Right there. That's actually better. Just go slow. Perfect. Yeah, go. You're good. Actually, go down a little bit. Stop. Oops. Okay, go down. All the way. go. That's it. Down, Ninja. Just a little persuading. Well, there you guys go. I'm gonna wait to bolt up the brakes until next time, but we got all these nice parts on. Everything fits good. We still got a lot of little details. I found out that I didn't have the rear bushing, so we're gonna save that for next time. But you know what? This stuff looks good. It fits good. This car's gonna drive great. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.